case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the South Dakota Supreme Court heard a case, Pederson v. McGuire, which focused on whether specific performance is required in a real estate transaction, depending on the unique circumstances of each case. The dispute involved a commercial property with a railway right-of-way, purchased by the Pedersons in 1978. They negotiated a license with the railroad to install a private roadway crossing over the easement, though Sioux Sound Company, the appellant, canceled their purchase agreement, citing the license as a title defect. Despite the appellee's efforts to amend the license, the appellant found the proposals unacceptable, leading to a trial. On February 25, 1982, the trial court initially denied specific performance, but later issued a reconsideration opinion on March 24, 1982, requiring specific performance. The decision was based on the appellee's diligent efforts to clear the title of the property and the finding that time was not of the essence in the contract. The South Dakota Supreme Court upheld the lower court's decision, requiring the appellees to terminate the railroad's interest in the easement at their own expense. The court found that the appellees acted diligently to clear the property's title within a reasonable time, and clarified that deceive did not include falsity regarding matters without pecuniary significance or puffing through unlikely to deceive statements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.